Welcome back. Now there are some clouds across the western portion of the Caribbean, particularly across Cuba this evening. We have a frontal boundary that is expected to be lingering through the area over the next couple of days. We expect it to become a cold front over the next few hours as well, moving off the northern portion of the Caribbean area. Not expected to be moving into the Caribbean, however. Stable conditions still apparent across most of the Caribbean. We also have those strong winds helping those scattered low clouds to develop across sections of the open Caribbean, but we have no shower or thunderstorm activity in the region at this time. The forecast for tonight, fair skies. Generally fair skies. We're expecting temperatures to reach or to drop to about 25 degrees Celsius, both in Kingston and in Montego Bay. 5-knot winds on both coasts, from the north on the south coast and from the southeast on the north coast. In the morning tomorrow, expect partly cloudy skies across inland areas of eastern parishes, and then in the afternoon, we do have 1 or 2 showers in the forecast, mainly across inland areas, and we also have some showers likely across the northwest. Temperatures are reaching 33 degrees Celsius in Kingston, 34 degrees Celsius for Montego Bay. Now, the breakdown has it partly cloudy to mostly cloudy across sections of the southeast tomorrow. We do also have some shower activity likely across sections of Lucy, also across Montego Bay and Falmouth. Isolated showers are also expected across sections of Brownstown. We are also expecting some shower activity across sections of inland areas, particularly Moortown and Richmond. Now, for the next few days, there are isolated showers in the forecast in the afternoons on Friday as well as on Saturday and Sunday. For the marine forecast, the winds are easterly tomorrow on the north coast. Expect wave heights to reach about 1 meter. And then on the south coast tomorrow, we're expecting the winds from the east-southeast to east at 15 to 20 knots. Wave heights are 1.5 to 2 meters. For offshore areas, the winds are easterly. There's a smoke raft warning in effect. Wave heights are getting up to 2.5 meters. The winds are anywhere between 20 and 25 knots. While the outlook has the winds averaging anywhere between 15 to 20 knots on Friday, Saturday, and also on Sunday. The sunset in Kingston tomorrow is 6:32, 6:35 in Mandeville, 6:38 in Negril. That's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening, but we thank you so much for watching.